Hello everyone, I am from Global Techs. Today in this video I am going to give you a demonstration on BigCommerce Odoo Connector application from Global Techs. Let's first install the BigCommerce Connector application. Go to the apps, search for BigCommerce. I have already installed it for you. Access rights. After the installation we would need to give the access rights. Let's go to the settings, users, select the specific user. In my case, it is administrator. Click on edit, then in access rights, check on the BigCommerce connector users and then click on save. Go back, refresh the page and here you go. You can see the BigCommerce application. Instance creation. Now create an instance by going into the BigCommerce dashboard. Clicking on create instance, entering the credentials provided to you by BigCommerce. Name, then API URL, then client ID, then access token, version should be v3, select the company and then click on create. Alright, to see the instance we created, go to configuration, instance and select the instance we created. We would also need to select the warehouse, import stock location and export stock location and save. Let's duplicate the tab so that it would be convenient for us to navigate. Import and export category. Let's go to the category, click on product and then the category. Here you can see there are no categories as of now. Here are the categories in BigCommerce. Now after clicking on import category, within a few seconds you can see all the categories from BigCommerce will be imported to Odoo. You can also export the product categories from Odoo to BigCommerce. Let me create a category and export it for you. Just click on the export category button. Wait for a few seconds and you will be able to see it in BigCommerce. Import and export brand. Let's go to the brand, click on the product and then the brand. Here you can see there are no brands as of now. Here are the brands in BigCommerce. Now after clicking on import brand, within a few seconds you can see all the brands from BigCommerce will be imported to Odoo. You can also export a brand from Odoo to BigCommerce. Let me create a brand and export it for you. Wait for a few seconds and you will be able to see it in BigCommerce. Let me refresh it. Here you see GT brand. Import product in inventory. Let's go to the product, click on the product and then the products and variants. Here are the products in the BigCommerce. Now after clicking on import products, within a few seconds you can see all the products with their variants from BigCommerce will be imported to Odoo. You just have to refresh the page. You can also import the inventory. Within a few seconds you can see all the products with their on-hand quantity. It's here. Import customer and customer groups. Let's go to the customer and customer group. There are no customer and customer group as of now. Here are the customer and customer groups in BigCommerce. Now after clicking on import customer and customer groups, you can see all the customer and customer groups will be imported to Odoo. Wait for a few seconds and refresh. Here are the customer and customer groups. You can see also the address been imported. Import sales order. Here are the orders in BigCommerce of 5 ml bottle of rupees 500. Here are the orders in Odoo. Now after clicking on import sales order, you can see the order, the same order been imported to Odoo of 500 rupees. Export product and inventory. You can also export the product with variants from Odoo to BigCommerce. Let us create a new product and give it a name T. Add few variants. Go to attribute and variants, add a line, select size, select the value small, medium and large. Now click on save. Now go to variants, give the internal references. For first we will give T1 and for the next we will give T2 and for the last we will give T3. Click on save. And then we would have to give that on hand quantity. Click on create, select the product, give the counted quantity and then do it for the others as well. Select the product, medium, give the quantity and then click on save. Same for the large one. Give the quantity and now we will have to click apply for all three of them. Here is our final product. The internal references, their quantity on hand. Now we will also have to click to be exported button and select the BigCommerce product, that is physical. Once this is done, we will click on export product and export inventory. And after a few seconds, we can see the product with their variants in BigCommerce. We can go in to the product T, then inventory, track inventory on the variant level. As you can see, the variants with their SKU values and the stock is here. That's it for the video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do let us know in the comment sections if you have any query and click on the bell icon for more updates.